It's mixed. Okay, time to read. Oopsie. Whoa. Hello there. Well, what is this? What is this? Are these shoes for her big sister? Whoa, it's a chain.
Camera.
Okay, it's dark in here. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute, Daddy. Ta-da, look at my dog. Okay, where are you? Hey, where's my other one? Oh, you can play with each other. Oh, she comes in a little clary bag. Okay, can both of them fit each other? Oh, where's my... Where's... Oh, here it is. See, it changed color. It's tiny.
This is awesome.
Another one. Oh, the last one. And two of these. Oh, can you read the instructions for the Papa Girl? Here. Please.
Hoodie. Oh, it feels so good. I like the cotton. It feels so soft. Ooh, I like it.
Wow. Mama, can you please read the instructions? Please. Here. Here, to open this. I do not know. I got a password journal that I don't even know how to open myself. Here it is. I know there's no more tea. Okay. Whoa. Oh! Here it is. Dancing Queen. Mine's a Dancing Queen. But I know I had another one. Okay, but... Okay, let me read my message. What is this? Oh, was this for that one? Oh, look at these cuties. Bad for her big sister. I'm so excited. I'm bringing two to school. Dancing Queen. Oh, what? Both of them are Dancing Queens. Another change color. Here comes another gold ball one. All of them are gold ball because when you have it. No mystery. Oh, I know. Oh my God. And then some more. Let's open shoes. Whoa, these are not shoes. These are glasses. Now this is a white chain.
Oh.
Wait, put it.
I'm still figuring out what you have to do with this lock.
Can I see the lock? It's
Yeah,
black.
you can lock this way.
Okay, so I'm just opening them. Oh, I think this is a purple doll. So oh, this is a purse. Let's open it. Eh. Wow. I'm trying to get a whole collection of these. Let's open my cutie doll.
I just found out how. No one can zip it. See? It's the same. You can't do nothing about it unless you know the password.
Oh,
It's so small.
one. You think it's weird black with white? Ta-da! Ta-da! This one can sit. Woohoo! I like sitting ones actually. Okay, let's put it in. Wow! So much. Wow. comes your message. Oh no, your glasses.
I put the password. Oh, I tried to zip it. Can't. I already put the password.
That's
No, don't touch it. Here, try to zip it open. Zip it open.
I already know.
Don't go up.
Hello. Sorry, we just want to mess. Wait, I'm missing one more box.
There.
No, I'm missing one more box this way.
This one has some in it.
Oh.
Oops.
Again, stop it.
What's in there? Where's the backbone?
It's right there.
Where?
There.
Really? That's that. What when you put it in the back, what happens? You get toy?
Yeah. Here, read it. See if it's in the prize. That means one. Hello,
Is that
Queen
Queen
Bee.
Bee? You have Queen Bee?
No, I don't. But there's glittery. This is a big sissy.
Open it.
No! Don't think so that I'm opening
Oh,
that.